Okay, today we're going to be learning about place value. We're going to be comparing and ordering two decimals to the thousandths place and representing them with the less than, greater than, or equal to sign and placing them in order. What I need all of y'all to do is take out a piece of paper and to write down this place value. As we learned in previous years, we have our ones, tens, hundreds, and thousands. Once we get past the decimal, we've got the tenths, hundredths, and thousandths. So right now, everybody write this down for me on your own piece of paper because you'll be able to use this for practice. Very good. Keep that on your desk as we work. So together, class, let's look at this. This 4, if I have just the number by itself, what place value is it? Ones. What about 4, 0? Tens. Now, if I've got 0.4, what is that? Tenths. Don't forget your ths. 400 is in our hundreds. 0.04 is your hundredths. 4,000 is in your thousands. 0.004, remember it's got 0, 0, 4. It's as if I was writing my 1, 0, 0, 0. It's my thousandths. Very good. Now what I need you to do, we're going to do this as a class. Which number is larger? Is it my 0.2, 0.02, or 0.002? And my 0.2 is going to be my larger number. Which one is smaller? 0.003, 0.006, or 0.03? Now let's look at this. Let's compare. We got one place value. They're all zeros, so far they're equal. Next place value, those two are zeros, so they're equal. This one is a 3, so this one is a larger number, so we don't want that. Let's look at our next place value. We've got a 3 and a 6, so our smaller number is going to be 0.003. Which of these numbers on the bottom is in the thousandths place? Remember, I told you to write it out as if you're writing the 1, 0, 0, 0. That comma can also be representing your decimal. Very good. It's this one. Now we're going to be placing some numbers in order from least to greatest. Okay? So looking at these numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 numbers, which one is going to be my smallest? We know a decimal is going to be the smallest. So let's do our place values after the decimal. They both have zeros. This one has a 3. This one has a 0. So this one is going to be my smallest number. Cross it out as you use it. Next decimal is going to be 0.03. Cross it out as I use it. Now we know which one is smaller, 3, 30, or 3,000. Very good, 3. And then 30. And then my 3,000. Very good, class. Now let's try this one on our own. Give you about 2 seconds to try to work this one out. Remember, look at which ones have decimals out of my 5 numbers and compare after the decimal. So as you can see, I have 3 numbers with the decimal. Let's compare. This one has a whole number in front, so that one's a little bit larger. This one has a 0 and a 0, 0 and a 2. So this one's going to be smaller, 0.002, then 0.02, to 0.2. And then which one comes next? 22 or 2000? 22 is smaller. And then 2000. Very good. Now, I want you to work on these for homework. You're going to place the following numbers in order from least to greatest. Remember to look at your decimals. If you have to circle the ones that have a decimal so you can compare. Then, at the bottom, you're going to use less than, greater than, or equal on the bottom four. Tell me which numbers are less than, greater than, or equal. Let's do the first one together. 0.30 and 0.030. They both have decimals. So let's do our place values. The first one after, we have a 3 and a 0. Which one is smaller, class? Good. The 0 is smaller than the 3. So therefore, 0.30 is greater than 0.030. Complete the remainder for class, and we will look over these tomorrow. Remember, use your place value sheet to help you out. See y'all tomorrow.